Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My husband and I just celebrated our 11th wedding anniversary, and so I filmed my makeup, and I hope you guys really like this tutorial. Alright, starting out with skincare, I love this Glow Recipe toner. It lightly exfoliates and hydrates. I'm super dry, so I'm going in with my La Mer facial oil as well as the concentrate serum. It's amazing for dry skin and fine lines and wrinkles. And then for my actual moisturizer, this is the Clarins Multi-Active Day Cream, and I'm not finishing off with sunscreen because I was going out at night. Alright, this Maybelline Brow Stain I think is discontinued, but I got it on Amazon. I have it linked below, but I love lining my lips with it. It makes my lip liner and just lip color last all night, no matter if I'm eating or drinking or anything, so I love it for date nights. Okay, that sounded weird, but I just mean date nights because we love to eat. I'm obsessed with this brow pencil because it's like a little mechanical pencil. It really gives that microbladed look, and then I'm finishing off with a gel or wax. This will be a very blushy look. I think I'm going to do blush like 3 times, so I love to underpaint, and this Kiko cream blush is my favorite cool toned hot pink Barbie pink blush. It's gorgeous. And to underpaint some contour as well, this is the Fenty contour stick in, I believe, Caviar. Oh no, it's called Truffle. Wow, I've been out of the makeup game for a while. I don't even remember my shades anymore. I really love this concealer by Armani. I should have spot concealed first, but I don't know if you can tell by my face, but I was so tired and not in the mood to get ready, but whatever. The finished look ended up being really good. My Holy Grail foundation, Pat McGrath, shade 18 is my exact match, but I love to go in with a darker like 22, 24 to just lightly bronze the perimeter of my face. A little backwards with the color correction, but I wanted more pink under my eyes, so I went in with that Huda corrector. Now I'm setting my under eyes and around my mouth with my Laura Mercier translucent powder and honey. Peeled off that stain. Look how great that looks. Once I finish my lips, it's gonna last all night. More pink under the eyes. I'm just baking a little bit with the Cherry Blossom Powder by Huda. And now for eyes, I always go in with a liquid or cream brown eyeshadow first to just kind of contour my eyes. And yeah, this is by Armani. I really like it. It's cool toned, so it's perfect for a little eye contour. I love this ColourPop palette. I just randomly bought it when I was at Ulta last week. It's just, I love the tones. It's a little more cool toned than my usual. I love a pressed dark brown shimmery shadow always. So yeah, love this eye look. Now I'm just going in with a burnt orange circa 2016 on my lower lash line, and then a little bit dark brown too, a little bit of rose gold. I'm just kind of finagling and messing around until I get the kind of look that I want. I love this cream eyeshadow stick by Laura Mercier. This color I think is called Caviar. No! It's Tuxedo. That's what it's called. Wow, I don't remember anything. And then this Makeup Forever pencil liner is like the best black pencil liner. I love it. So if you have hooded eyes, deep set eyes, mature eyes, or just a lot of eye skin, that's a great way to do eyeliner and also wing it out. That's how I regularly do it. Look at that. I just used the back of a little tube and just dragged it out and smoked it out, and it looks so good. Little brow bone highlight, an inner corner highlight. And what's next? Let's see. Oh, brushing away all that baking powder to reveal perfect under eyes. So this little makeup routine was a lot of powder, and I'm dry, so I'm just spraying it, adding some moisture back to my face. And now we're gonna do lashes. I love brown mascara on my lower lashes, black on my tops. I am gonna add some falsies too, but yeah, this look is just, I love it. It's my go-to. It's so easy, and yeah, I just love it. Okay, this blush is so cute. It's cream to powder. So it's cream, but as I apply it, it kind of dries out, powders out. And it's a perfect Barbie pink. It's very cool toned, very light. Of course, I'm going to add some more. I told you, this is a very blush heavy look. I love this Too Faced blush. It's also very cool toned, very Barbie, and I just love it. I'm going to bronze, add some color and warmth back to my face. I'm going to do my nose contour off camera because I feel like it gets a little redundant, and I do have a standalone nose contour video somewhere on my channel from a few years ago, so go ahead and find that if you're interested. This is the Travis lip liner by Makeup by Mario. Beautiful chocolate brown, like milk chocolate brown liner. My lip color color, I couldn't decide on what to use. That Huda gloss looked too peach, Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk looked a little too pink, and so I added that NARS and just kind of landed at this. Now I'm gonna buff out my face with a little bit of finishing powder. This is great if you feel like you went too overboard with anything on your face, your blush, your bronzer, anything. I feel like it just kind of creates a nice seamless look all over. Gonna highlight my nose. I love this cream highlight. And that's it. The last step is lashes, which of course is optional, and that is the completed look. I hope you guys really loved this. I'm excited to be back on YouTube. Thank you so much for your kind words on my last video and for always encouraging me. Please like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe if you're not already. It helps me out so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.